To parents, I'd say do all you can. Send your kid to a program. That's really what's going to help. And people say you can bring a horse to water, but you can't make it drink. But it does take a couple times. It's not going to work the first time. You're going to try to help your kid, and unfortunately, it's really not going to work the first time because a kid is going to do what a kid does, And so really it's going to take a couple tries, and you really just need to be brave, and you need to put in the effort and be there with your child all the time, and maybe have a serious conversation with them too. Don't ever judge them. Don't ever get angry or upset with them. Kind of show that you're really concerned and really upset, and you don't want to see them have a horrible life, and you don't want to see them go down that path. It's an everyday battle. Being depressed and doing drugs, it's spirals downward just very fast, and there's not really a lot you can do about it except for get help from someone. And if you're being very judgmental towards that person, saying, well, you should just be stronger, that's just going to make them worse, It's going to make them sadder, and it's not a nice thing to do. So if you're friends with someone, it can be really scary to go and maybe tell on them and say this person is struggling. But if you really care about that person, that's what you have to do. You have to go tell a teacher or their parents. You have to do that, or else they could end up dead in the long run.